Now a small problem on pulleys. Here 3 blocks, 4 kg block, 2 kg block, 1 kg block. Here 2 pulleys, pulley 1, this is pulley 2. Here 2 strings, 1, 2. Here both pulleys are ideal. Ideal means mass of each pulley is 0. There is no friction between string and pulley. Here there is no friction between pulley and string. Here this string 1 is ideal. Ideal means mass of the string is 0 and length of the string is constant. Here this string is also ideal. So this is the arrangement of the pulleys and blocks. How to find acceleration of 4 kg block, acceleration of 2 kg block, acceleration of 1 kg block, and tension in first string, tension in second string. So to find the accelerations or tensions, first what are the forces acting on 4 kg block, 2 kg block, 1 kg block and pulley. So for 1 kg block, here in this string let T be the tension in string 1, T, here this also T, here tension is an internal force, tension T, T. Here pulley is ideal, there is no friction between string and pulley, so tension on both sides is same. Here this is tension T dash, this T dash, this is T dash, this also T dash, and also T dash. Okay, here first one for pulley, to find the accelerations. Here it is a complicated system, pulley block system, so we don't know the directions of accelerations. So for this complicated pulley block systems, assume all blocks moving down or moving up. Here I am assuming all blocks and pulleys are moving down, but this pulley is fixed, it does not move, only this pulley moves. Here let the 4 kg block moves down with acceleration A, this block AB moves down, this block AC moves down with AC, this pulley also moving down with AP, pulley, for pulley AP. Okay, here for pulley, the force on this upward tension is T, downward forces here upward force T minus 2T dash, our acceleration is here downward, so 2T dash minus T is equal to mass of the pulley into acceleration of the pulley. Here mass of this pulley is 0, so 2T dash minus T is equal to 0 into AP, so 2T dash is equal to T, that implies T dash is equal to T by 2. T dash is equal to T by 2. So for any pulley system, T upward, downward, T dash, 2T dash should be equal to T because its mass is 0. For block A, tension is in upward direction, its weight, this mass is 4 kg, so 40 downward, acceleration is AA. Here T, it is moving down, here acceleration is taking downward, so 40 minus T is equal to 4 into acceleration of A. Acceleration of A is equal to 40 minus T by 4. This is equation 1. This is equation 2. For block B, For block B, here for block B, tension is T dash upward, its weight is acting downward. For 2 kg block, this is 20 Newton B. Here tension is T dash. We know that here T dash is equal to T by 2. T dash is equal to T by 2. Its acceleration is AB downward. Here 20 minus T by 2 is equal to 2 into acceleration of B. 2 into acceleration of B. Here this 20 into 40 minus T is equal to 4AB, that is equal by 4 is equal to acceleration of AB. This acceleration of B. So this is AB. Here 4 kg block, 2 kg block. Remaining is 1 kg block. For 1 kg block, for block C, here for block C, its weight is acting downward, 1 into 10 Newton. Tension is acting upward, T dash is in upward direction, T dash, its acceleration is downward, AC. Here 10 minus T dash is equal to 1 into AC. Here AC 10 minus, what is T dash here? T dash is equal to T by 2. So 10 minus T by 2 is equal to AC. This is equation 4. Here 4 equations. For T dash is equal to T by 2, T is unknown, AA is unknown, AB is unknown, AC is unknown. So here there are 4 unknowns. How to relate these 4 unknowns? By using constraint relation, we can relate all these accelerations. So constraint relation for string 1. For string 1, what is constraint relation? Constraint relation is nothing but sigma T into T bar dot A bar is equal to 0. This is constraint relation. So here for string 1, what happens? Here this 4 kg block is moving downward, tension is in upward direction. So minus T into AA. First this TT, but this pulley is at rest, plus 2T into 0. Here pulley is moving down, but tension is in upward direction. Minus T into AP is equal to 0. That is AP is equal to minus AA. This is equation 5. That is the equation 5. Now for string 2, tension is in upward direction, acceleration is in downward direction. For string 2, tension T dash minus T dash into AB. This pulley is moving down, this T dash and this T dash both are in downward direction. My plus 2T dash into AP. This T dash in upward direction, AC is in downward direction. Minus T dash into AC is equal to 0. Minus AB plus 2AP minus AC is equal to 0. So here what is the relation between acceleration of pulley and acceleration of A? Acceleration of pulley is equal to minus AA. So here AB minus AB plus 2 into minus AA minus AC is equal to 0. 2AA plus AB plus AC is equal to 0. This is the relation between accelerations AA, AB, AC. So here we know that what is the value of AA, acceleration of A? This is 40 minus T by 4. acceleration of A is, what is acceleration of A? 40 minus t by 4. 2 into 40 minus t by 4. What is acceleration of B? Acceleration of B minus t by 4 plus 40 minus t by 4. What is t minus t by 2 is equal to 0. So here c is equal to 20 minus t. Acceleration of A is equal to 40 minus t by 4. Acceleration of B is equal to 40 minus 4. Acceleration of C is equal to 20 minus t by 2. The common LCM 4 4 2. This is 4. 80 minus 2t plus 40 minus t plus 40 minus 2t is equal to 0.